Is this like doing the fucking most? Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Valencia, aka Valenciakoger. In today's video, I am going to be testing out new drugstore products. Some of this stuff isn't new because I've used it before, the foundation. But otherwise, everything else is pretty new here. Drugstore been snapping with their makeup products. They've been really going ham lately and just giving us all type of beauty vibes and long-lasting vibes. And just because we affordable, that don't mean we cheap vibes. Before we even get into today's video, are you subscribed? I would love for you to subscribe. I'm so excited for the new people who have been coming and pressing that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I will have my Instagram, I'll have my Twitter. They'll be right here on the screen for you guys, and you can definitely follow me on there, stay connected with me, and all that jazz. So now that we have that out the way, let's really get into this video. I'm really excited. Bitch, I'm on this screen with no fucking brows on. Like, I got a full face. My hair looked the fuck good, and I accessorized a little bit, because, you know, I don't really be having on... I don't really be looking this cute before I hit the screen, you know what I mean? So I would really love for you guys to stick around so we can get into these lovely products. So the first product I'm going to try today is the NYX Waterproof Pomade. So this is supposed to be like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And I have the wrong shade. I picked up the wrong shade because it was not in the right spot. If this shit don't work, I'm using my Anastasia. This is not gonna work. I'm gonna put on my eyebrows off camera real quick. Oh, and for my brows, this is the concealer I use, and it's from Morphe, and I did a review, and you should watch it. It's this concealer versus Fenty Beauty's concealer. And yeah, I'm going to use this Shake and Glow Mist from Loreal. It's supposed to help hydrate and prep the skin before your makeup application. I'm obsessed. Hold on. I'm obsessed. I love this. And it's not tacky. It doesn't get tacky. So I wouldn't say like a primer. Don't use it to prime. But it's like, it's not oily, but moisturizing. This is the baking oil from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to put these little oil drops on and see how they feel. And this is like my primer now. I don't use an actual primer on my face anymore, just because I find that primers just don't work for me. I'm just going to massage this into my skin. I put these on my lips. I put it all over my face now. Like, I'm obsessed with hydrating oils. This smells really good. And it feels really good. So I am going to use the NYX Total Control drops. I have the shade Mocha. This is the only foundation that I haven't used in a while. I still like this foundation. I love the applicator of it. I love the full coverage of this foundation. You can blend this with your foundation too. I be looking so dark when I put my foundation on. And we're just going to put those bags away, get those dark circles, brighten underneath here. So I'm going to take my Airspun Loose Setting Powder. If you love Laura Mercier, this is a good dupe for Laura Mercier. Dab off the excess like we talked about before, and then proceed to putting it on my skin. And then dip again, dab off the excess like we discussed before, and then... Okay, so now I'm going to... I didn't even cream contour, that's okay. I'm going to just powder contour. So I'm going to test out this Super Stay. So it's the Maybelline... So I'm going to test out the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Powder Foundation. I'm going to use this as like my contour shade. And this is in the shade 375, and it's labeled Java. Whoa. This is extremely dark. Not what I'm used to. I really feel like that was dark. Not my favorite. So this palette is by Cosmetics. It's called Sylvia, Gani, and it has 22 shades. And so this is what these shades look like. This is definitely a dupe to the Urban Decay Born to Run, or On the Run. Born to Run, I think. It's like a dupe. This reminds me exactly of that. As soon as I opened it up and I looked at the shades at the store, I was like, this got to be a dupe to that. This mirror is a very good size mirror too. I'm going to take S Club and I'm going to transition with that. Yes, good color to transition with. Yeah. So I'm going to take Ginger and I'm going to put Ginger on my lid. Whoa, pigment. I was not ready. Wow. I'm going to take Prince and I'm going to put that on my lid too. Whoa. I'm going to take October and hit my crease with that color. Yeah. And I'm going to also pull it out on the side. Okay, so I am not into like trying any other liner except my NYX one. I'm obsessed with my NYX one and I'm not giving it up for nobody. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to pop my lashes on off camera and then I'll be ready. So part of my eyes is done off camera. I'm going to move towards the bottom lash line. So I'm going to take the green. This shade is Hazel. Color payoff is definitely there. This is fire. Okay, so let's put on some highlighter. I use this Wet&Wild highlighter and it's like a loose highlighter. It's called Hustle and Glow. I'm going to use this again. It's so freaking pretty and it definitely goes a long way. I picked up 2 liquid lipsticks from Loreal. This is what they look like. And Sweet Tooth, this is a scented one. It says it's scented like chocolate, so. Okay, yeah, I like this combo. But of course, I'm a glossy bitch, so I'm putting on some lip gloss. I'm using the NYX Lingerie in the shade Sable. That just definitely did it for me, but it's really sticky. Maybelline has a new setting spray. It's called Wear Boost Setting Spray. It's their Master Fix by Face Studio. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to spray this on. It's translucent and oil-free. It locks in the makeup for a long-lasting finish. And because I'm super obsessed with this one, I'm going to put this one back on too. Bitch, I'm fine as fuck. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I love the products that I use today. I don't like all of them, but majority of them, give them an A+. I'm so happy that I used them. Drugstore is really showing out and it's really where it's at right now. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye, everyone.